to safeguard the global order and to move beyond the perpetual cycle of violence and destruction in the occupied Palestinian territory, Pakistan reiterates the following 7 urgent and essential steps. First, an immediate, permanent and unconditional ceasefire across Gaza and occupied Palestinian territory. Second, unfettered, sustained and secure humanitarian access to all civilians in need and the protection of aid workers, medical teams and the UN personnel. Third, renewed and reinforced international support to UNRWA, which remains indispensable to the survival of millions of Palestinians. Fourth, an end to forced displacement, illegal settlement expansion and annexation of Palestinian land. Fifth, implementation of the Arab and OIC-led reconstruction plan for Gaza. Sixth, the revival of a genuine and time-bound political process to achieve a just, comprehensive and lasting two-state solution. And seventh, accountability for war crimes and crimes against humanity.